I'm Daniel Moore with Blackbear Construction in Thompson Falls, Montana. We have a Bobcat S510 skid steer with tires. We wanted to add some over-the-tire tracks for it. I bought these Radmeister over-the-tire steel tracks off of eBay, and this video is going to show you a little bit about our process of getting them installed and operating. Okay, we are going to put these tracks on this Bobcat. These are over-the-wheel tracks, and we're trying to get them positioned and get them installed right now. Okay, for our particular application, we're going to have to pull one link out, and then we'll stretch and make the final connections. These tracks come with an installation kit that has everything you need to do the installation. What he's doing right now is he's working on the stretcher, which is basically a turnbuckle that hooks onto both sides, and you can tighten it to pull the links up in close proximity to one another. Alright, so he's using the turnbuckle now to draw the tracks up into position. They're using an impact driver to tighten the turnbuckle that pulls the tracks together. And while it's holding things together, they're putting the bolts in to pull the tracks into their final position for being fastened. Alright, something cool about these tracks is there's a couple of different holes that you can mount through to change the distance between the tracks, which allows you to get a more precise fit. And this side is now bolted up the way we want it, and the guys are working on the other side. Alright, so here they are on side 2, starting to get the turnbuckle in position to pull the links together. The inaugural move with the tracks on. We're getting to see what we think. Okay, it's handling this soft ground really well. Looking good.